So, what does oligarchy mean? An oligarchy is a form of government where a small group of people holds all the power and makes important decisions for the entire country or organization. Unlike a democracy, where power is shared by many, in an oligarchy, power is concentrated in the hands of a few individuals, families, or organizations. In an oligarchy, a few wealthy families might control the government and economy, making decisions for the rest of the population. Let's look at some more examples of oligarchy in use. The country's political system was an oligarchy, with only a few families controlling all the major industries. Although it was technically a democracy, many argued that the country was an oligarchy in practice, as a small elite held most of the power. In an oligarchy, the general public often has little influence over major decisions. As you can see, oligarchy is often used to describe systems where power is limited to a select few rather than distributed broadly. You might be wondering, when should I use the word oligarchy? You use oligarchy when you want to talk about a government system or power structure that is controlled by a small group. It's often used in political science to describe a situation where power is concentrated in the hands of a few people, often leading to inequality and limited participation by the public. The political system in the nation has been described as an oligarchy, where only a few powerful elites control all the major decisions. Quick recap. Oligarchy means a form of government or power structure, where a small group of people holds all the control. It's often used in politics to describe systems where power is concentrated in a few hands, limiting broader participation. You use oligarchy when talking about a system where power is not widely distributed, but rather controlled by a few individuals or groups. Now that you understand oligarchy, you can confidently use it when discussing political systems or power structures.